Welcome into the Beard Trends February 2020 unboxing first impressions. Man, we are kind of late this month, but it took a while for everybody to get their product up in Canada and the United States, and it's coming from, where is this from? Israel. It's coming from Israel, right? So it had a trek to make. So this month we're going to give you guys first impressions of Aleph Male. I know Aleph Male has a big place in a couple of our hearts, and a couple of us have done reviews for him already. And then at the end of the month, I think in 2 weeks here, we're going to come back to you guys with a live stream. We're going to have the reviews. We're going to have a giveaway, discount codes, and we're going to be joined by Eitan. Is it Eitan? Eitan, the owner of Aleph Male. He's going to be live in stream with us to spread the love for you guys. So we're going to kick it off today. I'm going to have Mick kick it off here. He's going to show you, we're going to go in a clockwise order as you guys be viewing it here. And Mick's going to show you first what he got, and then we'll go around the clock from there. So, Mick, why don't you take us away and show us what you got from Aleph Male this month?
Technical difficulties. So yeah, I actually I asked Eitan to not send me anything because he already sent me so much stuff. But he sent me stuff anyway, so I'm really excited to open this up and see what I've got, see if there's anything new. So here's my trusty knife, and always cut away from yourself. So we've got some cedar beard balm, and they have the ingredients on there. And then, okay, I'll be editing out the sound of this because this is going to sound very squeaky. So then I also got the cedar beard oil for this one.
So they have olive oil in their beard oils and balms, huh? That's interesting.
Yeah. And all of their oils are also 2 ounces. So I know regular price is $32. I think they're on sale for $26 right now, and I think we're getting a 30% off discount code for the live stream. So it's
24 right now. I just looked at the website. 24 American.
Oh wow, okay. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal for 2 ounces. You're basically like $12 an ounce. Like there's very few companies that offer it at that price. So yeah, that's what I got. I'll kick it over to, I believe, Cribs.
What's going on, family? I also got me a bag of goodies from, now how do you say his name? Eitan?
Eitan, yeah.
Eitan. Let me grab my knife out here. Start cutting. I have never tried this company, done a review, but I've heard a lot about it from my brothers over here. Got me a note. Got me some, ooh, I can smell that already. And I didn't get the bubble wrap like you, Nick. So the ones I got, very nice labels. Boker Tov in a bomb. I got Sukkot, I do believe is how you say it, in a bomb. Very nice labels. I love that. Something like this, which I don't know.
I love watching men open beard oils. It's like watching your kids open their Christmas presents. The giddy look on the face.
Especially with swag.
King's, yeah, right. King's Blessing beard oil. Boy, those are some big bottles. And I was just looking here. They say this is going to last you about 1 to 2 months if you with daily use. That's a big jug of oil right there.
You guys, I absolutely love 2 ounce bottles. It really changes the game.
Agreed. I wish more would do 2 ounce bottles.
The Sukkot beard oil.
That aggression.
The Boker Tov oil. Yep. Handmade in Israel by Aleph Male. And then I do believe that is everything, but he left me a couple of notes here. Shalom, Mike. May God bless you with physical, spiritual, and beard success. All the best, Aton. So I'm now going to pass it over to Kaz. Kaz, take it away.
And take it away I will. Thank you so much, Mr. Cribbs. I already opened mine up a little here. Save a little bit of time. But nonetheless, I'm going to have to open these individually. Here, let's grab this knife here. I have a kitchen knife because I'm not very cool. The other guys have all these switchblades and crazy bells and whistles when it comes to knifery, and I'm just here not looking very impressive. There we go. Okay, so here's the Sukkot beard oil. We have olive oil, almond oil, vitamin E oil, essential oils of lemon, lemongrass, myrtle, and mint. And let's give it like a very, very quick scent impression here. Oh, that smells really nice. You guys know what the scent profiles on these are?
They're on the bottom where it says the essential oils that are in it on the back. The very last part of the ingredients.
Right. Lemon, lemongrass, myrtle, and mint. Okay, yeah, this one's definitely very minty, very nice. Of course, my review will go more in depth about all of that. And note here, thank you so much, Etan. You're a gentleman and a scholar. And here is the Boker Tov bomb here. Very nice. This one is a lavender, cedar, and bergamot scent profile. And then here I have the, okay, then this is the Sukkot in the balm, which is, again, the lemon, lemongrass, and mint as well. I think I'm going to like this one a lot. And let's give a Boker Tov a quick smell. Oh, yeah. Okay. And, of course, that's the lavender and cedar. Lavender scents for me can be hit and miss, but we'll see how that's how that fares for me. And here's the Boker Tov and the beard oil. That's cedar, bergamot, and lavender. Oh, yeah. Lavender coming through really nice in the oil. And I'm assuming this is going to be the, well, actually, this is another oil, I guess, huh? Yeah, okay. I have no idea what this one is. Okay. And then we have a King's Blessing, which is a jasmine sage. Oh, okay. Come on. Come on. All right. So now we have a King's Blessing, which is a jasmine and sage scent. Also, guys, I really do like the graphic design on this. I think that looks very, very nice. As someone who dabbles in graphic design myself, jasmine and sage. Ooh, okay. I'm going to put that up right in beard right now, actually. I like that a lot. And I'm going to pass it on to Patrick from Tastic Reviews. Take it away, my good fella.
Hello, everybody. I apologize for my mic. I have a crappy phone, and I, too, have a black package. Let me get my trusty knife out. Need a big one. Let's see what we got in here. My package is kind of heavy. I have a package in a package. I have two packages in a package. Let's see here. I'm going to lay everything out. And there's a third one. Let's see. Looks like two balms. I got the, how do you guys pronounce it? Sukkot beard balm.
Sukkot.
Yeah.
Everything is O instead of A. So it's Sukkot and what's the other one there?
The Boker Tov.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Looks like an oil. These are really nicely wrapped. The Boker, what is it? Boker Tov? Tov?
Correct.
Let's see. Get another oil. I hope I don't cut the tops of these off. That would be bad. Let's see. Got another one in the sucrose. How do you say it?
You got it.
Sucrose. And one more oil. I'm going to wait to sniff them. I'm going to take Kaz's word on how good they smell and the King's blessing. Okay. Let's see. All right. And I think I got some stickers in here too. And then nice little sticker. And a couple notes I'll read here in a second. And that's my unboxing. I'll take it back to Tyson.
Hey, that's me. Hey. So I kind of got a package in the mail and I just opened it. And I was like, oh, wait, this is for Beard Trends. So I don't have a black package, but I still have some goodies that were in the black package. And I like to live dangerously, so I tend to cut towards myself because what fun is safety. So I just cut towards myself and take the risk because we're risky up in the Faithful Studios here. So what did I get? I got, oh gosh, Mick, I need your help. Havdalah, is that right?
You got it.
Havdalah, which is cinnamon and clove. Okay, I like cinnamon and I like clove. And that is definitely clove. Ooh, if you like a spicy scent, get something with cinnamon and clove. And then I got the King's Blessing. I think we've seen that a couple times, which is jasmine and sage. And then I also have the King's Blessing in an oil. And this is what he sent me for the Beard Trends, but I do have some other stuff from him because I've done a review for him before. So I'm going to include those probably in my review as far as the scents, just so everybody can kind of get a feel for it. But something that I really like is he uses olive oil in here, and it's sourced from Israel, as well as the almond oil that he uses. So, yeah, really cool stories behind it, and he'll tell us more about those on the live streams. But these are all essential oils in these, and then sourced products straight from Israel, made in Israel. And these scent profiles are very loud, and not necessarily something that I think a lot of us are accustomed to. Oh, look at this. I got like a gray flyaway right here. Y'all see that? Okay, grays. The grays like to just... but anyway,
Builds character.
Yeah, exactly. I'm getting grays like mad. So that's what I got, but I have a ton of other stuff from him as well that I'm excited to get back in with all of these guys. Speaking of all these guys, look at all these guys. Look at all these handsome fellers here. Yeah, see, we got the Canadians, we got the East Coasters, we got the West Coasters, and we got the middle of the country. So we got all over the states. We got all over Canada. And we all got some stuff from Israel. Look at that. We're going to come back March 1st, I believe, sometime in the afternoon hours of Sunday, March 1st. And we're going to have Eitan on here. Eitan,
yeah.
We're going to have Eitan on here. I've talked to him multiple times. I've video chatted with him multiple times. I still get his name wrong because I am awful with names. But he's an amazing guy. He's got an amazing wealth of knowledge, and I'm super excited to have him on here with you guys. So we'll be live streaming March 1st. I don't know whose channel it's going to be on yet, so we'll keep you posted. We'll let you guys know in the reviews. So make sure you're subscribed to each and every one of these fellers' YouTube channels, and you can find them. Actually, everybody's name is on the screen right now, so you just search those on YouTube, and they'll be in everybody's description. Make sure you're subscribed to everybody, and when the reviews come out, you will know what time of day I think it's going to be 3 Eastern, right, on Sunday, March 1st.
We'll make posts on Instagram and the
follow us in the Beard Trends Facebook group. We all have an Instagram as well, so you can follow us there, and then on YouTube, and we'll keep you all updated. You can always message us too. But we're gonna have a 30% off discount for Aleph Male. and we'll probably do something with a giveaway. So until then, this has been the unboxing and first impressions. Be on the lookout in the next 2 weeks for our final thoughts and reviews of Aleph Male and the live stream on March 1st. Everybody say peace out, home slices.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Home slice eye.